In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Affirm to Stripe. Start by signing into your Stripe dashboard with the account that manages your payments. Make sure you use an account with administrative access so you can change payment settings. Once you're logged in, take a moment to orient yourself with the dashboard. The next action is easy to find from the main view. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. This opens your settings. Depending on your interface and any recent updates, the icon might be subtle, so hover over icons until you see the tooltip for settings. Clicking that gear takes you into the place where payment options and billing configurations live. Now navigate to the Payment Methods area. You can get there through Product Settings, then Billing, and then Payment Methods. Or you can go directly to Settings and choose Payment Methods from the list. If your dashboard includes a search field, you can type Payment Methods to jump straight to the right screen. This section lists all the payment options available for your account, and it's organized so that different categories like cards, wallets, and buy now, pay later options are easy to find. Scroll down to the section labeled Buy Now, Pay Later. Here you'll see providers that let customers spread payments over time. Locate Affirm among those options. Affirm is a popular buy now, pay later provider, and enabling it allows eligible customers to select it at checkout. To enable Affirm, find the toggle next to its name and switch it on. When you flip that switch, the dashboard will register Affirm as an available method for your account. In many cases, this change takes effect immediately, but depending on your region or account settings, Stripe may prompt you for additional verification or links to Affirm-specific terms. If that happens, follow the on-screen prompts to complete any required confirmations. Once the toggle is activated, take a quick look at your checkout flow to confirm Affirm appears as a payment option for customers. It's a good idea to preview or test the checkout in a safe environment to ensure everything looks and behaves as expected. If you run into issues, try refreshing the page, clearing your cache, or consulting Stripe support documentation. That's all there is to it. Enabling Affirm in Stripe is a short, straightforward process that can give customers more flexibility at checkout.